Hey guys, solo today. Just kidding.
Just kidding. Like she's solo.
All right.
All right, Sarah.
Question number 1.
Ready? When I'm looking at houses and I'm going around and just calling the listing agent on the property to show me, who's the person that writes my contract?
So the person that should be writing your contract is your exclusive buyer's agent who should be working for you, and that person should actually be scheduling those showings for you as well. So when you call those signs and everything, keep in mind that that agent works for that seller. One, you're not only wasting your time because you're calling 500 different phone numbers trying to work and schedule all this and that, but also they don't work for you. They work for the sellers. So you're not doing yourself any, what's the word there? Favors. Yeah.
They don't have any sort of fiduciary responsibility to you, so they're only looking out for the best interest of their client, to make sure they're getting the highest price, to make sure they're negotiating on their behalf. So when in doubt,
Call Sarah Underwood.
that's it. That's it.
So, Hannah, I applied for a loan through Quicken Loans, and I was just wondering if that was like my best interest. They gave me a 2% interest rate, so.
Short answer, no.
Okay.
Long answer, absolutely not. We could just end it there, but I guess I'll go on. So when you're going online to like a Quicken Loans, Rocket Mortgage, guaranteed rate, the one thing that they can't guarantee you is rate. So we're working on a live market. We all are. And it changes in the morning from the afternoon, it changes from Monday to Friday, from this week to next week. So if they're offering you a 2% interest rate, you better lock it in, baby, right away.
Because it will change.
Absolutely. And so when they told you, oh, this is what it's gonna be 3 weeks from now when you actually sign the contract, because keep in mind, you don't have to, but you typically lock an interest rate with an address, because your interest rate changes based on where your property is too. There's a number of different factors, so they can't guarantee that. It's like a bait and switch.
So what about like the fact that like they haven't even pulled my credit and they're giving me an interest rate?
Homegirl, if they have not pulled your credit, you don't even know that you can qualify, because your rate is based on your credit, your debt to income, all of those things, how much you're putting down. So if they don't know those things, they are not truthfully giving you a rate. There's a lot of false advertising in the mortgage industry, and especially when it comes to rates. If you see an asterisk, like, walk away.
Yeah.
Don't maybe walk away. Call us.
Make sure
ask us the questions.
Yeah. If you see like something that says, oh, get into this house for $800 a month, and there's an asterisk by it, you're not.
That means you are not paying $800 a month.
Yes.
That means that your principal and interest is going to be $800 a month, but they're not factoring your tax rate. They're not factoring your mortgage insurance. Just all of those things are not truthful. So when you see stuff like that, make sure that you're asking questions. Don't just sign up thinking like, I have all of the information.
Yeah.
Ask questions, make sure you know what's going on, make sure you know where the money to buy down that rate to a 3.5% is coming from, because a lot of the times you're gonna end up paying for it.
Yeah. Exactly. Yay. There's a lot of false advertising out there right now on the real estate side, on the mortgage side, everything. So just be careful. If it sounds too good to be true, 99.9% of the time it is.
That 0.01% is actually the Cornerstone American Dream program, so come to me.
Yep.
It's not too good to be true.
So y'all know where to find us, sarahunderwood.work.
loanswithhannah.com, and my cell phone's on there. You can always reach out to us via Facebook Messenger too. If you have any questions, if you're working with another realtor, if you're working with another loan officer, we don't mind. We're just here to make sure that you have all of the information possible, that you are making the best decision when you are going to buy your house.
Yep. See you next week.
Bye guys.